Look who's striding to the crease. With bat in hand and determination in the eyes, they're ready for a showdown. Excellent ball from the bowler, denying the batsman any chance to score. An exceptional shot. That's a majestic six. He couldn't have timed that any better. The ball's been rocketed away to the boundary for a glorious six. That shot was timed too late. That's a missed opportunity there. The batsman fails to get off the mark on this one. That was a bit too late. He could have done better there. Quick running and good communication earned them a well-deserved couple. Incredible! They've clinched to victory with sheer